Welcome back to the Deepblocks tutorial series for zoning reports. We're going to talk about the parameters that are included. So this zoning report has tons of zoning parameters, uses allowed, what types of uses are allowed on the site. These are uses by right. Buildable area by FAR. We generate this number for you, so you don't have to do the math. Approximate buildable area. We choose the highest buildable area based on those buildable areas by FAR. We also include FAR, any notes on FAR. Sometimes there are contingencies or other things to look into. Density for hotel, density for multifamily, that's living unit density. Lot area, so that's how we calculate these numbers, buildable area and units allowed. Lot coverage, minimum lot size, maximum units allowed. Again, that's something that we generate. Number of floors, parking spaces by type of use, primary setbacks, rear setbacks, all the different setbacks, and the name of the zoning district. So here for each lot, so that it's not a mystery, we include, for example, some parcels will include less parameters because, for example, they might be like civic uses, and then other will have many more parameters. So the idea is that you see how many parameters we include, and you're able to have an understanding of what to expect when you purchase this report. The report is $28 at this time. So it's probably the most affordable way to get zoning information. With that, it concludes our tutorial on what is included.